Do not miss any of our cool videos. Subscribe to our channel for latest updates. Click on the bell icon now.
Hey there and welcome back to another build. Have you ever wished electronics could see the world in colors? Today we are building this powerful AI color tracker using the amazing XIAO ESP32-S3. It uses a tiny camera to detect the colors in real time and display the results on the LCD screen. This build, you'll need just a few key things. The Seed Studio XIAO ESP32-S3 Sense. This tiny board is the brain and the eyes of our project. A 16x12 I2C LCD display to show what color is detected and a few jumper wires. So how does it all come together? Let's wire it up. This is super simple. Connect the LED's VCC pin to XIAO's 3v3 pin, connect ground to ground, then connect the SDA pin to pin D4 and the SCL pin to pin D5. And that's it. Just 4 wires and your hardware is ready. This setup is incredibly clean and perfect for beginners. Alright, let's break down the code that brings our color tracker to life. First, we include the necessary libraries. ESP Camera is for the camera and Liquid Crystal I2C lets us talk to our LCD screen. Next, we have our logic to convert color from the standard RGB to HSV or hue, saturation and value. Using hue is much more reliable for detecting color under different lighting conditions. Inside the setup function, we initialize the serial monitor for debugging, start up our LCD and most importantly, configure and initialize the camera with all the correct pin settings for the XIAO board. In the loop function is where the magic happens. First, we capture an image from the camera, we find the color of the single pixel at the very center and convert it to HSV. We have a special fix here to swap the red and blue channels, which is a common quirk with these camera modules. Finally, this block checks the hue values to see if it falls within our defined ranges for red, green or blue. If it finds a match, it prints the color to the LCD and waits for 5 seconds before continuing to scan. It's a simple but very powerful script. Alright, the code is uploaded and our tracker is live, the moment of truth. Right now, it's actively scanning, waiting for a color to analyze. Let's challenge it with a vibrant red. Watch the screen and boom, color found red. It locks on instantly and holds the result for 5 seconds, just like we programmed. See, it's immediately ready for the next challenge. Now for a deep blue. Nailed it. The response is fast, accurate, and the color detection logic is working flawlessly. And with that, you have successfully built a AI color tracker brought to life with XIAO ESP32-S3 sensor. If you enjoyed this dive into computer vision and want more smart projects, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss what's next. Thanks for watching and happy making.